How to fix microphone not working on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video you will learn how to fix microphone not working on iPhone and iPad. Let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, if your iPhone's microphone is not working, try this troubleshooting step. Firstly, clean the microphone port between the headphone jack and the charging port with a small brush or toothbrush to remove any dust or debris. After cleaning the microphone, check if the microphone is working. If still the microphone is not working, then you can go to the settings and check if the microphone is enabled or not. For this, go to settings menu on your device. Swipe down to see screen time and tap on it. Swipe down to see content and privacy restrictions and tap on it. Here, swipe down to find microphone and tap on it. Here, make sure that allow changes is selected under the microphone. Now, go back to the settings menu, swipe down and click on privacy and security. Find the microphone and click on it. Here, turn on the switches of all the applications whose microphones you want to use. That's all you have to do and the microphone in your iPhone will start working. If still the microphone in your iPhone doesn't work, then the microphone may be damaged and your phone needs to be repaired by an Apple customer care service center. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.